ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
विश्वतो मुखम्
सारं विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
पुत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयिवन्न ऋलग् एओङ् ऐ औच् अयवरट् लन् ञमङणनं अभै अढधश् जबगडदश् खफ चठथ चटतौ कपै चषसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः विचयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः ऊपु उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमङणनानां नासिका च एदैतोगो कण्ठतालु ओदौ तोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम् नासिका अनुस्वारस्य रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणि सदा विजयते रमेशं
रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहतश्चाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे राम मामुद्धर
Understand this, the thing pratyaya, about which you know it. I thought you before, I mean, at least familiarity, you have seen, yes or no?
Yes.
So, you know, Parasmepadi and Atmanipadi pratyayas are there. Okay.
Hmm.
These are the original pratyayas from which we derive the pratyayas corresponding to different kala. That is called in Sanskritam lakara. We will talk about that in detail later. Present tense is called lat lakara. Lat, you know what it means, right?
Yes, Guruji.
What is lung?
Lung is past tense.
Bhutakala. So instead of using a long word, we just make it a very brief one. That's called alpaksharam. Lat is present tense, vartamana kalaha. Lung is bhutakala. And the future tense, rit lakara, we call. So different. In Sanskritam, we have these 6 kala and tenses and 4 moods. Tenses and moods we call. What are they? That for which the original pratyayas are these pratyayas. These are added to what? Added
Dhatu.
dhatu. Added. Once only added to dhatu, it will get a kriyapada.
Yes.
Added to the prakriti called dhatu. The pratyayas are added to the prakriti, that is called dhatu, and you get a kriyapadam. If the pratyayas are supratyaya, you added to the prakriti called
Pratipadikam.
and you get what?
Namapadam.
Amapadam, otherwise called sup antapadam, subantapadam, we say. Sup antam subantam, you know how it is. Sup sandhi. Sandhi, I taught you very elaborately, you know it. Sup
Yes.
plus antam. Jashva sandhi is applied, therefore bakara will become bakara, subantam. Remember we saw that.
Yes.
Subantam. Subantam, you can call. Subantam is Namapada. Another name for Namapadam is Subantam. Another name for Tingantam is Kriyapadam.
Kriya.
Ting Antam Padam Kriyapadam. That which ends with Ting Pratyayas. These are the Ting Pratyayas. How we say Ting? The first Pratyaya is Tip, starting from Ti, and the last Pratyaya, Maging, is there, Uttama Purusha, Bhagavachana Pratyaya, Nakara. So you can make a Pratyahara. Like you make Pratyahara using the Mahageshwara Sutra. Similarly, here also you can make the Pratyahara Ting. Ting means short note which cover all the Pratyayas. Right?
Yes.
Supratyaya. So covers all the 21 Pratyayas. We know it. Okay. So these are the original Pratyayas. Let us chant this. Today's class will be grammar class. From this you can understand. Today's class is not the Samskrita Bala Darsha Patanam. Today it will be a Vyakarana class. Continuation of the Vyakaranam, where we stopped at Sandhi. Having taught Sandhi, now we are going into the other topic. Okay. So I'll introduce what it is. Now let us chant this. Tiptaschi,
Tiptaschi,
Tiptastha,
Sipthastha,
Tipasmas,
Mipasmas,
Ta Atam Cha,
Tatam,
As Atham, Tvam, Sorry,
Vam.
I'm doing Atmanipadi. You can follow. So why it is Atmanipadi Parasmipadi? There are dhatus which can take only Parasmipadi Pratyaya. There are dhatus which can take Atmanipadi Pratyaya. That is how it is. You cannot ask why. Okay. There are some dhatus which can take either of them. They are called Ubhayapadi. It can take Parasmipadi Pratyaya or it can take Atmanipadi Pratyayas. Pratyaya means Pratiyate, Vidiyate, Asmat is called Pratyaya. That which is a raw one, Prakriti. Prakriti means raw. That has to be refined. How would the refinery happens? By addition of this Pratyaya, you refine the Prakriti. That is the crude word, which could be a Pratipadikam or it could be a Dhatu. You refine it by adding the Pratyayas and you get the refined word called Padam. And Padam only can be used in the language. You cannot use a Dhatu. You cannot use the Shabda. Therefore, refined. The refinement happens by the addition of this Pratyaya. That's why Sanskritam, the language is refined by this. Pratyayas play a very important role. Many Pratyayas are there. So, this some dhatus, as I told, they are Ubhayapadi, can take either of them. Therefore, they are called Ubhayapadi. Okay, like example, Pach dhatu, Ubhayapadi dhatu. Whereas Bu dhatu is Parasmipadi. Lab dhatu, always Atmanipadi. Like that, divisions are there. That knowledge will come over a period of time when you are getting familiar with the dhatus. Now let us complete the chanting. The last one, Uttama Purusha. It, Vahi, Mahing.
Mahing.
So, Mahing Nakara is there. That is a It letter. It letter means what happens? Tasya? That will not be considered. Okay. Like the Maheshwara Sutra, the It letters, the last letters are It letters, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Do we consider those It letters as part of the Pratyahara?
No.
Similarly, this is a packing letter, Nakara. So the content is only Mahi. Similarly, Tip plus G, there also Pakara is only a packing letter. Tip also Pakara is a packing letter. Mip Pakara is a packing letter. And similarly, Tas Sakara is what?
Packing.
No, anti-packing letter.
Oh.
You add this to the Prakriti, the Dhatu, like for example, Pat plus Tas. Now, Tas will be at the end of what? Tas being a Pratyaya, it will be at the end of.
Visarga.
That will be at the end of the Padam, right? Now listen, Tas will be at the end of the Padam, right? When you add Tas to the Dhatu, what you get is a Kriya Padam, right?
Yep.
It's called
Yeah.
Tikantam. Now, Sakara will be at the end of the Padam. If it is at the end of the Padam, then what will happen to Padanta Sakara? Remember Sandhi rule.
Visarga.
Does it become Visarga directly? No, you know it.
Ru.
It will become Ru. The content of Ru is nothing but Repa, and Repa will become Visarga. When it becomes Visarga? When it is followed by or
Avasana.
very good. You're all very intelligent, not very. That's why you're not attending the classes, I think. The classes are too basic for you. Okay, Sakara will be replaced by Visarga. So don't think that Sakara here are It letters. So this is an exception. Okay. So whenever you find a Sakara at the end of the Pratyaya, don't think it as It letter. Similarly, Makara also not It letter. So these are all exception. Always exceptions are there. Takara is It letter or not? Yes.
It is.
It is It letter. The content is E only. Therefore, the content is T. Now you see, for the Lat Lakara, we will chant. After after we do some, we have to, from the original Pratyaya, we have to derive by the application of some sutras. Don't worry about that, what the rules are applied. These are the original Pratyayas I told, from which we derive the Pratyaya corresponding to Lat Lakara meaning present tense. These are the Pratyayas. These are added to Dhatus. Therefore, you need to remember these Pratyayas. Let us chant this. I said Pakara, previously it was Tip. Now it is only T. Why? Pakara is It letter. And Taha, previously it was Tas. Now it has become Taha. Padanta Sakara became Visarga. Understand? And previously it was G. Now the chakara is replaced by ant. The G, E is there. Anti it becomes. Like that it happens. So need not get into detail too much. You just know now at this stage, remember the pratyas corresponding to lat lakara. Lat means vartamana kala, present tense. And atmanipadi pratyaya, if you see, totally different. Ta, atam, ja, but here it is te, ite, ante, ite only you have to take. Ate, we'll see what it is later. So please follow my chanting. Ti, taha, anti,
Anti.
Anti.
si, taha, tha, ni, vaha, maha,
Mi.
te, ite, ante. Don't worry about ate, okay? We are not interested in ate now. Later we will see. Se, ite, dve, ye, vahe, mahe. Okay. So these are the pratyas for the lat lakara. Now, if I give you a word, say for example, pat dhatu is there. How do you do the parasmepadi lat lakara? When lat lakara parasmepadi only, the lat lakara roopam for pat dhatu, it would be
Patati, patati, patataha, patanti. Patasi, patataha, patamaha.
patati is saha patati, right? Tau patataha, te patanti, or it can be sa patati, whatever may be, any linga I can do. Similar, patasi is tom patasi.
Yuvam patataha, yuyam patataha,
Aham
aham patami,
avam patamaha.
vayam patamaha.
This abhyasa, please do. In fact, I thought of doing in the class, but since you all already familiar, so you please do. I think this document I have sent you before. This document, one document for the one preceded to this, definitely that's I was sent. There are different the dhatus are there. You have to practice. Suppose kadat, eat is there. Avam kadataha. Then avam, what will come?
Patami.
Avam
Patavaha.
Patavaha.
Oh, this is avam kadataha is a mistake. Okay, it's not avam. How can be avam kadataha? It is
Avam Kadavaha.
it's a typo. 1 minute. Copy paste problem. Avam kadavaha it must be. Therefore, avam things would be
Avam Gayavaha.
gayavaha. All this you have to practice. I can send you this practice. It need not be done in the class. You can do it, right?
Yes, sir.
But this practice, don't take it as a, what you call as a basic one. You need, if you want to speak in Sanskritam, this abhyasa is important. That is why even though it is basic, it has to be done. This is a problem in communication is communicating or speaking is this familiarity not there. That is why this elaborate exercise being given here. We can do it in the class if you want. Otherwise, we can skip. You do it as your homework, your wish. Okay.
We'll do it as homework.
Yes, Guruji, homework will do.
Yes, please do it as homework. But the homework to be done. Okay.
Yes, Ji.
Then let us do the simple translation. Let us see how. Please write your name in the chat box. After that, we will get into the grammar. Only few sentences are small sentences. Let us see how much you know. And then let us see 47. Okay. Goes in this order. Yeah. Please type your name in the chat box. Let us see. If anybody has problem in this, please let me know. If anything you don't know, please clarify it. Okay. All this is simple. The first one, Anuradha ji, you can read 2 lines. Okay, 2 lines on horizontal. Huh?
Aham.
I listen. Yes.
I listen. Aham. Shunami.
Shunami. This is the listen is Aham Shunomi. This is a different dhatu. Okay.
Shunomi.
Shunomi. That's Shunami. Aham Shunomi.
aham shrunomi.
That's what we are going to say. Why it is not Srinami? Patami is there, why not Srinami? No, that belongs to a different conjugation, different group. That's I will explain now after this. Okay. Just note that. Agam Shrinomi. Okay.
Shrunomi. Aham shrunomi.
He to
We
play.
We to smile. Avam hasavaha.
Okay.
Then
We to play. Yeah.
Avam khelamaha. Kelavaha.
Kela. Vayam. Okay. Avam is fine. Okay. Kelavaha or Kridavaha. Yes. Okay. Continue.
Then I bite. Aham. I don't know for bite.
What is the word for bite? Dashyati.
Dashati. Aham dashami.
Dhatu is damsh dhatu. That becomes Dashyati. Bite. Okay.
Aham dashami. We all remember. Vayam smaramaha.
Yes.
We too conquer. Avam. It is Jayat. No. Oh, it is Atmanepati. No.
What is that? We to conquer. Yes.
Conquer.
Jayati Jayataha.
Avam Jayavaha.
Yes. The next person, Girija, the next 2 lines.
Yes, Guruji. Aham patami. We all teach. Avam. Vayam. Teach.
They all teach.
Yes.
Shikshamaha.
Vayam Siksha.
Not Shikshama. Shikshama means learn.
Shikshayamaha.
Very good. Patayamaha, Shikshayamaha,
Patayamaha. Okay.
Adhyapayamaha. Right?
Okay.
You need to, that's why your practice is required, I said. Okay.
Vayam Sikshayamaha.
Yes, we teach.
Avam Vadavaha.
Yes.
Vayam, give up means what can I use, Guruji?
Give up.
Judge.
Yachati. Vayam yacha
Not
maha.
Tyaj, not give. Give up. Give up. Tyaj dhatu.
Tyaj.
Tyaga, the word comes from that only.
Vayam tyaja maha.
Vayam tyajama.
Aham vasami.
Vasami, Jivami, Jivanam, Karomi, anything you can say. Okay.
Okay. We all beg. Vayam yacha maha.
Beg is not yachama. Yacha is to give.
Yacha is giving. Okay.
What is
Yach.
Yachanam. Yeah, okay.
Yach.
Vayam yacha maha.
For your information, Yach is Ubhayapadi. Okay.
Okay.
So Yachamaha you can say, and if it is Ubhayapadi, what you will say? Atmanipadi form would be? Anybody knows that what it is?
Yachamahe.
Yachamahe.
Achamahe. I think I taught you that this class. No.
No.
Okay, we'll do that anyway. You're going to do that. Yachamahe. Okay. Yes, we can do it. Okay, now itself we can do. Just let us please chant with me. After that, you can continue. Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji.
Bhavati Budhatu is Parasmaipadi Dhatu. Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti. Please chant.
Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti.
Bhavasi, Bhavataha, Bhavata.
Bhavasi, Bhavataha,
Bhavami, Bhavavaha, Bhavamaha.
Bhavami,
Here you can see the pratyaya at the end. Ti, taha is it? Anti.
Yep.
Similarly, you can see the pratyaya, Madhyama Purusha pratyaya, si, taha, ta, and ni, vaha, maha. There only what happens? It is not bhavami. Bhavami, bhavavaha, bhava. Dirghatam happens. That is, you have to note. Okay.
Yep.
Then we'll see why it happens and all. Then the Atmanepadi we are interested. You see. What is the pratyaya? We said te, if you remember, te, ite, ante. Te, ite, dve. Ye, mahe, mahe. Now, taking the example of lab dhatu, Lab dhatu means to obtain, to gain. That's the meaning. So the form becomes labate. Te is at the end. So lab dhatu become labha and then te. Lab becomes labha. Then we will see how it becomes labha. Then you add the pratyaya te. Lab plus a plus te. Lab plus a labha. Labha plus te. Labate. From where this a comes, that is what the grammar is. We are going to see today. Okay. Now labate. Then lab plus a plus what is the next pratyaya? Dvivachanam. Ite. Labha plus ite. What happens?
Labhyate.
Labhite.
How do you get that?
Gunasandhi.
Exactly. That's what it is. Lab plus a becomes labha. So you take labha and then add this pratyaya. Labha plus te. Labate. Labha plus ite. Labhan. Labhete. Labha plus ante.
Labhante.
Labante.
That is labante, not savana dirgha sandhi. Lavante will not happen. Why? Because it is a different rule. I think I don't know. I'm not sure, but I taught you. Otherwise, I'll teach you later when you do this. This grammar when you do, we can see. Labha plus ante. It is not labhante. It is labante. A plus a is only a, not a. That one more rule we have to see. That we will add in the sandhi chart later. After what is the rule? I'll tell you. Now labha plus se will become labha se. Labha plus ite will become
Labhete.
Labhite.
labha plus dve will become.
Labhadve.
Labhadve.
You have to practice like that many atmanipadi dhatus. Then it will come, the affirmative will come. Labha, okay, here it is a mistake. Okay, that's what I was taught, thinking when I was chanting. Here, instead of ye, you can make it as e. That would be better. Okay, give me a minute. I will change it now itself. E vage mage. Some books they say ye, but it's not what do you call it? Once it's a great mistake. Yes, but the intention is different. Why? That's why I copied from that. But when I was chanting this, I understood that's something to be noted. For you, it is important because labha plus e, what will happen?
Labhe.
Labe, right? Punasandhi. That's what is happened. Labe. Suppose if it is ye, labha plus ye, what will happen?
Labhai.
Pratisandhi will happen. That is not a form here. But A is given in some books. It is only for the beginners. For them, lab is the dhatu. Lab plus A, labe. For their understanding, he has given like that. Making guna, he has given the pratyaya. But actually, the pratyaya is E. That is what the pratyaya, original pratyaya is also. What is originally? It only, right?
Yes.
Akara is it letter. Then it becomes E. Right? Therefore, E is the right one. For us, E is better. Laba plus E, labe. Then laba plus vahe, that dirghatam happens. Laba vahe, like patami, similarly. Patavaha, patamaha, similarly. Laba vahe, laba vahe. You understand now, Atmanepadi?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, sir.
Now, Girijaji, if I give you yach dhatu, how will you do? Yach.
Yachate.
Ah,
Yachete. Yachante.
good.
Yachase.
Yachite.
Yachetse. Yachedve.
Yachadve, not yach.
Yachadve. Yeah. Yache. Yachavahe. Yachamahe.
Very good. Anuradhaji, if I give you pach dhatu obeyapadi, how will you do it?
Pachate. First, it will be. You want me to do both, Sharanji?
Not required, only Atmanepadi is enough.
Pachate, pachete, pachante, pachase, pachethe, pachadve, pache, pachavahe, pachamahe.
And Jyotiji, if I give you Ed Dhatu, how will you do it? Ed.
Age.
Ed.
Ejate. Ejete. Ejante.
Yeah.
Ejase. Ejethe. Ejadve. Eje. Ejavahe. Ejamahe.
Anybody want to try? Who is there?
Yes, sir. I will
Yes,
try.
Ed. Ed Dhatu. Okay. Ed. Edha Vruddho. Ed Dhatu.
Edate, edete, edante, edase, edethe, edadve, ede, edavahe, edamahe.
Anybody?
I will try, Guruji.
I dhatu.
I,
Akara, yakara. Okay.
Aite,
Ayate, not aite. I plus aya plus te, ayate.
okay, ji. Ayate, ayete, ayante, ayase, ayethe, ayadve, aye, ayavahe, ayamahe.
Then anybody else?
I'll try, Guruji.
You can take vakh dhatu. It's ubhayapadi. Vakh dhatu, ubhayapadi dhatu. You can try.
Vah, okay. Vahate, vahete, vahante, vahase, vahethe, vahadve, vahe, vaham, vahavahe, vahamahe.
Then anybody wants to try? Yes. All of you are done. Okay. Now, Girija, you do one more.
Yes, Guruji.
Tand dhatu. Then, yes. Tand. Tand dhatu.
Tand.
Tand means to beat. Tadane.
Aha. Tandate, tandete, tandante, tandase, tandethe, tandadhve,
Good.
tande, tandavahe, tandamahe.
So you get some idea how to do the
Yes,
Atmanipati now? Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Now, one more important thing, please listen. When a dhatu is ubhayapadi, like pach dhatu, yach dhatu, vakh dhatu, ubhayapadi. I mean, any pratyas can be added. Parasmanipadi or Atmanipadi. Therefore, we'll have two forms. Then, which one you have to use? When that knowledge is important. Listen carefully. When the result of the action, the kriya, goes to the doer himself, then Atmanipadi pratyas to be added. When the result of the kriya, the action, goes to the very doer, then Atmanipadi pratyas. Suppose if I cook for myself, a small pot I cook for myself. Any atithi comes, I drive them out. I cook only for myself. So what do you say it?
Aham pache.
Aham pache.
Agam pache, not agam pachami. Whereas when I cook for others,
Aham pachami.
agam pachami. When the result of my action goes for others, then pachami. So when pachami is used, it is not just to say cooking, I am cooking, but the intention is also conveyed. I cook for others. That may include you also, that is different. But when you say Atmanipadi, it means it's only for you. Bhagavad Gita last class we saw, no? Pajanti Atmakaranat. There we saw it is Harsha, Prayoga, it should be Pachante iti. Remember Gita?
Yes.
This. So now, coming back to this, Girijaji, please continue with
Yes, Guruji.
the leftover. Now, Yachate you did, that's done, right? Over.
Yep.
The next person, Jyotiji.
I protect. Aham rakshami. I worry. Aham
I worry.
chintanam karomi.
Chintanam karami is thinking. Shuchidatu, you know. Ashochananda shocham.
Shochami.
Agam shochami.
Be to nourish.
Nourish.
Avam.
Pushtatu. Pushna. Pushya. Pushya. Vaha.
Pushyavaha. Avam pushyavaha. Avam pashyamaha.
Vayam, not avam. Vayam. We see. We all see. All is understood there. Vayam pashyamaha. Then,
We all earn.
what is the word for earn? Arj.
Vayam arjamaha.
Yes.
We to give. Dadamaha.
You can use
We to avam dadavaha.
H. H that you can use.
Yes.
It is not dadamaha. There is no dadamaha. We will see why it is. It is a different group. It is dadami, dadvaha it should be. But we don't worry about dadvaha. Simply you can use yach dhatu. That is better. The avam, yachavaha. Okay.
Yachavaha.
That is better. Da dhatu, it's a different group, different conjugation that you cannot do like this. Shinomi, that what Anuradha he read, that also different conjugation. So you use
So
all
Guruji,
this.
when you say da dhatu, is it in terms of dana?
Yeah, Dhanam, same dhatu, Dhanam. Yes. The same one. Dhanam. But the dhatu form is different from the normal pat dhatu, etc. That is a simple dhatu. You cannot do all the dhatus the same way. Not all the dhatus are the same way. Dhatus are divided into 10 groups, and based on some it is some certain things it is divided. Based on the similarity of the forms, it is divided. Similarity of derivation, it is divided into 10 groups. So da dhatu is in a particular group, in the third group. So their conjugation is different. Their the formation, the derivation is different. Therefore, it is tadvaha, it will be. Anyway, that's why I said you use simple yach. Avam,
Yes.
yachavaha, simple. Next person, Lataji.
Nikil, vayam maramaha,
Maramaha, no. Marayamaha, it must be.
marayamaha.
Yes,
We experience vayam anubhavamaha,
yes,
I drink, aham pibami,
yes.
I cross over, aham cross,
Tarati.
Tarami.
Tarami.
Tarami. Sorry.
aham tarami.
Tridhatu, tarati, to swim or crossover. Both meanings are there. Crossover. Okay.
Me too. Avam
Anayamaha.
anayame,
Anayavaha. Nayati.
anayava.
That also, that dhatu is ni dhatu, that is also ubhayapadi. Therefore, that is also possible. Anyway, we will see that later. Next one, sir. Continue.
We dry. Vayam
Hmm.
sukamaha,
Nainam chandanti shastrani.
Shoshayavaha.
Shoshaya.
Shoshayamaha.
Nagati pavakaha. Nachainam kledagantyaapaha. Na shoshayati marutaha. Marutaha shoshayati.
soshayam.
Now you know what it is. Vayam
Vayam soshayamaha.
shoshayamaha. Right? Next one, next person. Who is Anupamaji? Please try it.
We to write avam likavaha, we saw, so vayam vapamaha.
Good.
I paint, aham rangayami. Rangayami is
Yes.
correct?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. We count vayam ganamaha.
Ganaya. That is
Ganayamaha.
Ganayamaha. Yes.
I cover aham avaranami.
Achadayami.
Very good. Agam achadayami. That also you can say.
Okay.
Okay.
We pray vayam prarthayamaha.
Good.
Namami.
Pratayami. Namami. Salute. You can say nothing wrong with that. Manjula ji. Next one.
Sa rakshati.
Mahila.
Mahila rakshati. Yeah. 2 soldiers.
Cobbler.
Cobbler.
What is a cobbler? Word for cobbler.
Charmakaraha.
Very good. Charmakaraha. Kim karoti?
Charmakaraha katayati. Charmakaraha katayati.
Katayati. Then
Tailor. Suchikaha.
Suchika kim karoti?
Suchikaha suchayati.
Not Sujayati. Sujayati means notifying, informing. Sivyati.
Sivyati. Yes. Yes.
Sivyati, stitches. Sivadatu, Sivyati, it would be. Okay. Then,
Sainikau. Sainikau vadataha.
Vadataha. Dvau Sainikau Vadataha, you can say Dvau also possible. Anyway, not required. Sainikau itself is there, Dvau only. Okay.
Avam.
V2, do. What is a do?
Paratah. करोति करतः
No,
No.
it is kur.
Important
Karomi,
dhatu.
kurvaha, kurmah.
कुर्वः कुर्वः
Let us stand this important dhatu. This form, this dhatu, you have to memorize. Let us chant. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti,
करोति
Kurvanti.
karoshi, kuruthaha, kurutha,
करोषि
कृता
karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha.
करोमि कुर्वः
Now, Manjulaji, we too do. How do you say?
आवां कुर्वः
Avam kurva. Krudhatu, parasmipadi or atmanipadi?
परस्मैपदी
Ubhayapadi. You can-
देपति
ओके
Atmanipadi form also it is. Let us chant. Kurute, kurvate, kurvate,
कुरुते
kurushe, kurvate, kurudhve, kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe. Manjulaji, we too do. How do you say it now?
आवां कुर्वाथे
Kurvate, avam.
नो
कुर्वहे।
आवां कुर्वहे
Avam kurvahe. Avam kurvaha or avam kurvahe. Both are correct.
ओके
Depending on the context, whether what you do is for yourself or others. Agam karomi, agam kurve. Vayam kurmaha, vayam kurmahe. Saha karoti, saha kurute. Same. Tau kurutaha, tau kurvate. Te kurvanti, te kurvate. Tam karoshi, or kurushe. All these are at note. Okay. This is to be memorized. Please commit this to memory. Forms.
Excuse me, Guruji.
Yes.
You said Saha Kurute. Saha is addressing a third person.
Yes.
In what context this Atmanepadi verb will be used?
It does for himself. He does something. Saha atmanam kurute kinchita. He does something for himself.
Aha.
Saha pakam kurute. He does cooking pakam for me. No, for himself.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Now you do Manjulaji.
जी साइंटिस्ट क्वेश्चन
Question. Yes.
साइंटिस्ट
What is the word for question?
Prucha,
Very
pruchasi,
good. Pruchati. That is why I said familiarity practice is required. I said. Otherwise, spoken also will become difficult. If at all, if you are interested in that. Vijnanikaha pruchati.
वैज्ञानिकः
All the
पृच्छति
Kriyapadam should be available with you. Okay. Next one. Last one. Kausalya, you can do the next two.
They too lives.
Day to live, not live. Yeah.
They too live.
Feminine. Okay.
Sa te taha. So te vasataha.
Okay, good. Then
They all female sing. So sa te taha gayanti.
Gayanti. So immediately they have to come, not Sate Taha. They all means Taha that should come. That's the Abhyasa. Okay. Next one. Robber.
Taskaraha.
Taskaraha, Stenaha, Choraha.
Choraha.
Forgets.
Okay.
विस्मरति
विस्मरति
Smarati, Vismarati. Remembers.
Vismarati.
Smarati, remembering. Vismarati, forgetting. Then next one, please do.
We too give up. Avam tyajavaha.
Okay.
I cover. Aham
Achadayami. I think it can differ also. Okay. Achadayami.
achadayami.
Avrunomi also you can say. Anyway, that is not required. Achadayami is better now because we don't know Avrunomi, etc. The next one, the country.
The country praises. Deshaha praises.
Shamsati, prashamsati, prashamsati.
Prashamsati.
Shamsati, prashamsataha, prashamsanti. Okay. Next one, Girjaji, back to you. 15 we can.
Guruji.
Anything.
You pray. Tvam praise. Namati. Namati, can I use Namati?
Can use
Namasi.
prarthaya.
Prarthayati.
Prarthaya. Tvam prarthayasi.
Tvam pradhayasi. We all cross. Vayam
Yes.
taranti. Vayam taranti.
Taramaha.
Taramaha. This is
Taramaha.
Nepali. Vayam taramaha.
Then
Telephone rings. Durabhashanam.
Durabhasha. Okay.
Durabhasha rings. What can I use, Guruji?
Shabdam karoti. Something.
Shabdam. Okay. Durabhasha Shabdam Karoti. We all recite.
Next person will go. Anuradha. Sorry.
Vayam recite
Ratanam.
Vayam Ratamaha. We too see. Avam Pashyavaha. Babies cry. Shishuvaha.
Shishavaha, not Shishavaha.
Shishavaha. Krandava.
Krandanti.
Krandanti.
Anti. Next one, Jyotish.
Dog touches Kukuraha sprashati.
Prashati, very good.
King leads Drupaha Nayati.
Yes.
She cuts Sa Kartayati.
Exactly, very good. Now let us see. Let us get into the Dhatu. I think we are seeing for the first time this, right? Introduction to
Yes.
Dhatus and Lakaras.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Now please listen carefully. There are about 2,200 Dhatus. The number, of course, it varies. There's some people say 2,000 Dhatus or something like that. And for your information, I'm doing the Vyakaranam in Sanskrita Vyakaranam in Sanskritam. Okay. It is advanced. Of course, it is advanced. Ashtadhyayi. That class only I sent yesterday to the group.
Yes.
I made a class private. It is because I'm using some book that may give rise to copyright issues. So I will make the video private today. So if you want to download it and listen, please download it. And it is Sanskrita Vyakaranam in Sanskrita only. The language of communication, the class would be Sanskrita. Okay, that some students, I mean, there was also online students only. Now they have been doing for a long time, about 6 years. Now they have come to that level of understanding. Even if they have difficulty in speaking, but they understand what they speak. And that's Vyakaranam. Now we are slowly have to get into that. Now we have to start. Now that is why I started this. Starting this today. There are about 2,200 dhatus. Some say 2,000 dhatu. The number anyway doesn't matter. It varies. From each dhatu meaning verbal root. Okay. From each dhatu we can derive verbal forms. That is kriyapadam of different tenses. Tense means kala. Different moods. Different moods can be ordering. It can be a request. So all these things, or it can be conditional. If he comes, I will come. So like that. That conditional also clause also it is that is all those are moods. So tenses and moods we simply say, but not simply say. It means understand that we say 6 tenses and 4 moods. A simple way we put all the 4 lakara under mood category and other 6 lakara which conveys a time in the under tense category. Okay, therefore that is what we call the lakara. Lakara means tenses and moods, and they are 10 in number. How many are 10? So from each dhatu you can derive 10 verbal forms. 10 lakaras. 10 lakara means each lakara. If a dhatu is a participant, for each lakara, it will 9 forms will be there. So like that, for 10 lakaras possible. How many dhatus are there? 2,200 dhatus. Then you can multiply and see how many would be. So, Samskrita Bhashayam Prayena. How do you say in Sanskritam 2,200? Can anyone try?
Dvisahasra Dvishatam.
We have to always do 200 plus 2,000. Dvishata Adhika Dvisahasram. Okay. 200 plus So we can, that's how we have to say. It's okay. What is it? It's correct only. Samskrita Bhashayam 2200 Dhatavaha. Dhatavaha is Dhatu Dhatu Dhatavaha Bhagavacham. Dhatavaha Santi. Tesham Ekaikasyapi. For each one of them, Dhatoho, for each one of the Dhatu, Dasha Lakaraha Sambhavanti. 10 Lakaras are possible. Lakara meaning tenses and moods. Teshu Shat Lakaraha Kalavachakaha. Among them, the 6 are Kalavachaka, tenses. And Chatvaraha Prakara Bodhakaha. Prakara Bodhaka is a word for moods. Command or request, those things are Prakara Bodhaka. So Kalavachaka and Prakara Bodhaka. Kalavachaka is that which indicates time, past, present, future, etc. Remote past, etc. Kalavachakaha, Lakaraha, Lakara Bodhakaha, Lakaraha. So I use the word Lakara. Lakara means what is Lakara? This is called Lakara. Why it is called Lakara, Shat Lakara, we will see. Because for all the tenses and modes, he uses the word Lakara. Like let, langa, lot, everywhere the Lakara will be there as part of it. That's why it's called Lakara. So Lakara denotes this Kalavachaka, Prakara Bodhaka, tenses and modes. Now Shat Lakaraha, 6 tenses. What are they? We will see that first. Let is Vartamanaha, present tense. Vartamana, Kalavachakaha, let, present tense. Past perfect. Past in English, I just found it and wrote it, but we are not interested. Anadhyana Bhutaha. That which is not today's past. If it is today's past, something will come. That's what it means. Anadhyatana. Adhyatana means today. Anadhyatana is not today. Bhuta means past. Not today's past. It means what? Yesterday's past. Yesterday's past means what? Starting from the today's morning, early morning. Today's morning, 6 o'clock before sunrise only you have to take. Sunrise is 5:30, suppose if it is today. So that when before 5:30, 5:29 or 5:25 is yesterday. So yesterday's. Starting from that, the next, the previous sunrise, that is yesterday. So that, if you want to refer to Anadhyatana, previous and before that, all this we can use lang. Okay. So yesterday means starting from, suppose now time is 8 o'clock in the morning here. So starting from 5:30 before. That's what sunrise, suppose sunrise is 5:30. Before that, yesterday, day before yesterday, or day before that, all these are Anadhyatana Bhutaha Lang Lakara. But in the language, what we use is today's past also. For today's past also, we use lang. The language when we speak Bhashayam. That's okay. It's not a problem. It is there, the language, the spoken language. But grammatically, strictly speaking, the lang lakara should be used only for yesterday's past, not today's past. Today's past, what I mean is now the time is 8 o'clock. Suppose if we have done something at 7 o'clock, I add my, suppose, breakfast. That is today's past. You are not supposed to use the lang lakara because it is today's past. I ate dinner yesterday night. There you can use lang. Ratro agam bhojanam akhadam. That is fine. But morning alpa aharam agam akhadam you cannot say because it is today's past. Understand all of you what I'm saying?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Ji.
But as I said, the language it is used. Therefore, it is not a dosha. It's not a defect. Then lung lakara. Lung lakara is general past. Whether it is today's past or yesterday's past, anything, it's lung. Therefore, if lang lakara only for yesterday's past onwards, yesterday, day before yesterday, from whichever time up to yesterday, lang lakara, and lung is for all, then what lakara you will have to use for today's past?
Present continuous.
Lung.
It is lung only you have to use.
Lung. Yes, Ji.
That's what it means. For today's past, use lung. For yesterday's past onwards, you use lung. But in the language, as I said, they use lung. Lung. This is lung lakara, aorist. Just know the name. Simple bhutaha, it's past. Then lit lakara. Lit lakara is Paroksha bhutah, that you have not seen. That's called lit. Rama was born, Rama ruled Ayodhya. Have you seen? No. All happened, it's all remote, very remote. That which happened long back, happened 1 year before, 10 years before, remote path. And you have not been the witness of that. You have not seen. Paroksha. It is not seen by you. It was heard by you. That is lit lakara. Okay. Then lut lakara. Anadyatana bhavishyan. Not today's future. I am coming to your home today. Today at 5 o'clock. That is today's future. If that is future, then lut lakara should not be. If it is today's past, other than that, you have to use lut lakara. If it is general future tense, then we have to use rit lakara. So for today's future, we can use rit lakara. And from tomorrow, 5:30 onwards, after that onwards, I can use lit lakara. That is what it means. Okay. But lit lakara is used for everything. Whether it is today or past, today's future or tomorrow's future, it is not a problem, it is used. Okay. These are the Shat lakaraha, 6 lakaras. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Ji.
No, don't worry about all this first, last 5. We are not interested now. It will come later. We are going to see how these words are derived. We are going to see Vyakarana. So therefore, Lat lakara is what is important. That is what we are going to see. How the forms of the Kriya Padam are derived. Lat lakara forms of the Kriya Padam are derived from the Dhatus. That is what we are going to see. Just giving a background. Okay. Chatvaraha prakara bodhakaha lakaraha of 4 types. As I told, imperative, command, potential, benedictive, and conditional. Imperative, you eat, you come, you go. That is lot. Vidiling, ling lakara is vidiling. That should be done like that. What should be done? You should speak the truth. But that should be done ling. Ashirling is that I wish good for you. Shubham bhuyad. So that is Shubham, that is Ashirling. Ring lakara is conditional. Kriyati bhakti. That is ring lakara condition. That's why it is called moods, 4 moods. Prakara bodhaka. This also we are not interested. So you can imagine for each dhatu, all the 10 lakaras are formed, and the dhatu is ubhayapadi. Still you can imagine how many it will come. And this is one thing. And after that, the dhatus can be made causative, and again all the lakaras are possible. So it's a huge, it's unending list. Therefore, you cannot say how many words are there. You cannot say. You can derive and derive and derive. From a dhatu, you can derive a pratipadikam. From a pratipadikam, you can derive a dhatu. All these possibilities are there. Therefore, it is open. Now we are going to see only lat. It's clear?
Yes, Guruji.
All of you.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, good.
Yes, Ji.
Any doubts are there, please.
Yes, Ji. Yes, Ji.
Now, let us continue further. In the successive sessions, we are going to discuss pratyas corresponding to lakaras added to the dhatus. And lakara, main lakara is that lakara only we are going to discuss. After that, lang, etc. we will see slowly. Now, what is pratyaha? Pratiyate vidiyate yasmaditi pratyaha. That which is ordained after the prakriti is called pratyaya. And if the prakriti is dhatu, then a pratyaya is tin pratyaya. Therefore, dhatoho parasya pratyaya bhavati. What pratyaya will come after the dhatu?
Ting pratyam.
Tin pratyaya will come. Pratyaha, where it will come? Before the dhatu or after the dhatu?
End of the dhatu.
After the dhatu. You tie the horse before the cart or behind the cart or front of the cart? The cart, yes. That is, the horse has to be tied in front, right? Not back. So pratyaya to be added after the dhatu. That is also why it is given. Don't we know that Panini Maharshi has given, Sutra himself has given, Pratyaha Paraha Bhavati. It doesn't take anything for granted. Where we add, pratyaya should be added, we say to the dhatu. Next question is, where should be added? It should be added after the dhatu. That also Panini Maharshi says. Pratyaha Paraha Sutram, which is Sutram in fact. Now, Next important topic. The division of pratyas. With regard to lakara, we are talking about lakara means with regard to this kalavachaka, prakara bodhaka, lakara only. There are other pratyas are there. Kudanta pratyaya, tadita pratyaya. We are not discussing that. Even subanta pratyas are there. We are not discussing that. We are discussing the pratyas which are added only to the dhatu. Understand? So
Yes.
those pratyas are of two types. Sarvadhatuka, it's a name. It has nothing to do with the dhatu. Okay. Maybe because the word dhatu is there, you can say that it is added to dhatu. The name Sarvadhatuka. Sarvadhatuka pratyaha and ardhadhatuka pratyaha. So Sarvadhatuka, ardhadhatuka. The names are important. Okay. So what is Sarvadhatuka pratyaya? I have given in the form of not I have given. I mean, I read, in fact, I just copied the sutram and given here. Ting shit Sarvadhatukam. What do you understand by this? It's a sutram. Ting shit Sarvadhatukam.
Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi.
Where is Parasmaipadi Atmanepadi here? There is no mentioning of the Parasmaipadi Atmanepadi at all here.
Thing is both parasmaya and atma.
Ting pratyaya and shit pratyaya.
Oh, that's what you're saying. Oh, I'm sorry. That's what you're saying. Okay, fine. I mean, you're talking about all the 18 pratyas or Sarvadhatukam, right? Yes, that's right. Yes. Think, okay. What I mean, I understood. Sorry, I didn't understand what I said. Now I understand. Thing means you're saying both the Parasmaipadi, Atmanepadi pratyas.
Yes, good.
Yes. Starting from Tiptas, G, Siptasta. How many pratyas are there?
18.
19.
19. How 19 it is? 9 plus 9.
Sorry, 18. Sorry, 9 and 9.
18 pratyas are there, right? They are what pratyaya?
Think,
Yeah.
think,
Ting
pratyaya.
Think
Yeah.
pratyas and they get the name Sarvadhatukam.
Sarvadhatukam.
They are Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. And one more thing is that shit. What is shit? Remember, shit is.
She.
We have not seen what shit is. Now, please listen.
No.
What are shit pratyas? First, let us understand what is shit. Here we are talking about a pratyaya. Therefore, when we say thing must be a pratyaya. Shit, when we say shit must be a.
Pratyaya too.
Say only.
So, because we are classifying the pratyaya, right? So, we are talking about pratyaya and giving the classification of pratyaya. Therefore, shit must be a pratyaya. Now, what shit means, let us see. In shit, you see something which you letter, when a word you know it very well, it is there. What is that?
She.
She only. Ta is only a packing to show that only she.
No, not that. A word is there, I'm saying, not a letter.
Uh-huh.
You divide that shit
See,
into. Huh?
the
It.
Very good. Who said it? Very nice.
It.
It is the shakara plus it is the right.
shit.
Shakara plus it is shit. Shakara plus it is. What is it? You know. What is it?
It letter. It is a end.
It's a packing letter.
Packing letter.
A packing letter, marking letter, whatever it is, packing, right?
Yeah.
So, sha is it. It means what?
Whenever shakara is a it letter, then that is called shit.
That pratyaya, listen, that pratyaya, which has shakara as it letter. The pratyaya having shakara, and the shakara is a it letter, then that pratyaya is called shit pratyaya. Yeah. Understand what I'm saying?
Mhm.
A pratyaya having shakara as an it letter is called shit pratyaya, and that shit pratyaya will be sarvada.
Sarvadhatukam.
That is the sanya. Understand now?
Yes.
Suppose if I give you a pratyaya, Shatru is a pratyaya. The content of this pratyaya is at. Here, R is there. R is what? It letter. That, like room. Who is it letter? We know, right? Sandhi context we have seen.
Yes.
Similarly, here Shatru means takara plus That Ru is there. Ru is it letter.
Is letter.
That is one thing. Second thing is Sha is there. That is Shakara plus A. Here Shakara also is it letter. So Shakara is it and Ru is also it. Therefore, the content is
At.
At. You have received a package. Packing, you remove the packing and take out the content. The packing is, frontal packing is Shakara and the rear packing is Rukara. Remove this, the content is At. So this is a pratyaya. What pratyaya? Shatru. Shatru pratyaya, where Shakara is it. Therefore, what pratyaya is that? Shit pratyaya.
Shit. Okay.
In shit, therefore it is called.
Sit.
Sarvadhatukam.
You understand now what Sarvadhatukam is?
Yes.
So any pratyaya where Shakara is it. Shakara may be there, but need not be it always. Okay. I'm talking about the pratyaya which are added to dhatu. Why I'm saying this, I'll show you something. You have to understand the difference. Just a minute. Here it is. So I'll just come out after that.
Sus.
Yes.
Shakara is here.
Yes.
It letter. Content of Shas is only us.
Us.
Okay. Content of Shas is us. Shakara is a it. Can we call this pratyaya as Sarvadhatukam?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
But it is not a pratyaya added to dhatu. It is a pratyaya added to
This is Danta Pratyaya.
Pratipadakam.
Pratipadikam. Then how can you call it as a Sarvadhatuka pratyaya? No.
Oh.
Oh.
Those pratyayas which are added to dhatu, those pratyayas only can be classified as Sarvadhatukam and Adhadhatukam. That is what I said in the beginning itself.
Yes,
Okay.
Guruji.
Talking about the pratyayas added to dhatu, classification of pratyayas added to dhatavaha, alertness, you have to be alert when you read. Each word is important. Whatever given is only from this sutra pata.
Yes, yes.
Added to dhatu. Shas is the pratyaya not added to dhatu. How can be called as a shit pratyaya? It is not, it is a yit. It is a, sorry, it is a shit pratyaya only. There is no doubt. But it is not sarvadhatukam.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Now what is arudhatukam? Any other pratyayas which is not the thing, that is the 18 pratyayas, which are not 18, that those 18 pratyayas, or the any pratyaya where Shakara is not it, that is called Adhadhatukam. Sheshaka means leftover. What is left? After ordaining Sarvadhatuka pratyaya, whatever is left, they are all Ardhadhatuka pratyaya. Understand now what it is?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this understanding is enough now today. Please go through the lessons and next class we will try to derive the Rupam, Kriya Pada Rupam. Okay. Any doubts?
Sharanji, for you said that suppose then what is the right way to say I had breakfast, like the immediate Bhutakalam?
Bhojanam agam alpaharam kritavan. I use kridanta. Agam bhojanam kritavan. Simple. That is easy. Kritavan. This kridanta you can use for any kala. Past participle. Agam bhojanam. Agam prataha alpaharam kritavan. Or aham akadam also you can say, as I told, you can say akadam, no problem in that. Akadam is lang lakara rupam. Akadat, akadatam, akadan, akadaha, akadatam, akadata, akadam, akadava, akadava. We have to see that form. We are not seen. We are only in the latlakara. Latlakara itself, we need to know a lot of things. And I request all of you be familiar with many kriya padam, many words. When we do translation, it's important. Okay. Yes. We stop here. Any doubts? Yeah.
Guruji, this packing letter, I thought it will come only at the end. So it can come at the beginning also.
There is no such rule. It should be at the end. It is can be anywhere.
Okay.
So far, you have seen it at the end. Now it is coming at the beginning.
Okay.
That is separate prakaranam topic, a section where all these are discussed in the Sutra Pata. So wherever context is required, we are taking one by one and expand. Okay.
Okay.
So wherever it's required, that time we explain this. Yes. Now Sarvadhataka, Adadhataka, please understand this carefully and remember this. This is the basic for the further developments that are going to happen. Okay. So I frequently ask this question. Giving a pratyaya, it is Sarvadhatakam or Adadhatakam. Simple question only. You should be able to answer. So again, I repeat that 18 pratyayas plus those pratyayas which are Shit pratyaya. They are called Sarvadhatakam. They are talking about the pratyayas added to dhatus. That also you have to remember. The pratyayas which are added to dhatu, they are thin pratyayas added to dhatu only, not to kriya padam. Therefore, those 18 pratyayas and the pratyayas which are added to the dhatu. It could be a krit pratyaya. Krit is another set of pratyayas. You'll see what it is later. After lakara, and we have to see that. So those pratyayas are Sarvadhatukam. That's important. Okay. So
Excuse me, Guruji.
Yes.
Excuse me, Guruji. That's Shit Agama. Shit. We have spoken about T Agama where it is added before Sthani. Is it something like that?
When did we see before Adistani? Oh, Tit Agama.
Tit Agama, yeah.
No. That is Agama.
Is it something like that, like Sthani before it is added?
Here it is no. There is no Agama. It is nothing is added. It is the pratyaya. The whole pratyaya. A set of, the pratyaya may be having maybe one syllable or maybe a number of many syllables are there. That are added to pratyaya. That's all. And that we are talking about the pratyaya. See, I am talking about a Girija who is having a particular attribute. Okay. That's all. So pratyaya is one. Here we are talking about the pratyaya having a particular attribute. What is the attribute? Having shakara as ith letter.
Okay.
So when he asks you to get into the car, the whole Girija will get into the car, right? I'm not asking a particular attribute to get into the car.
Yep.
Similarly here, shakara is a particular attribute and particular attribute of the pratyaya. So when the pratyaya to be added to the dhatu means the pratyaya having shakara as an attribute, it's added. And we are talking about the pratyaya where shakara is ith letter. And that pratyaya will get the name Sarvadhataka iti. Okay.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you.
So we'll stop here. So you go through the lesson. This to be very clearly remembered. First is understanding, and you have to remember this. I will be using the terms very, very frequently.
Okay, Guruji.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyavad Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಗುರುಜಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಗುರುಜಿ.